In front of me is CUBOT KingKong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and use those type of dots at the top right corners to pick multiple. To keep some, tap on them, and to delete the rest, use bin icon at the top of Collection section or at the bottom of Photos one. Then choose Got It and move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!